Oh, hi there. I didn't see you there.
Hello, everyone. Today, I have something very important planned. I bet you guys will not want to know what it is.
Yeah, I know it. You won't. But you also do. So, haha.
Actually, today, we will be using this very fancy olden times weapon of choice for most elderly and shoot it at some... I don't know if that's focusing. But, anyways, let's get into the video.
It's on.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, how do you shoot this thing? I missed. I don't know how to shoot this thing, it's too small. How do you line it up?
It's easy. You just aim. It's like in Fortnite.
Iron sight.
Oh my god, you're terrible. My turn.
No. I have to shoot it once. Oh my god!
What?
What?
Oh yeah, sorry about that. There's a can.
But anyways, that's how you do it. Well, now it's Connor's turn, and he's probably gonna suck. His Fortnite skills are not very that good, so. You pull that thing down. What do you mean? You watch me do it. All the way down. All the way down. Come on, use your muscle. I thought you were strong.
Is it?
No, all the way down, dude. Oh my god, you really not? Oh, it's not even all the way. Oh my god. Is that all the way up?
Yes.
Hold this stupid camera.
It's done, Alex. It's done.
God,
I know how to do it.
you obviously don't, because you weren't doing it right. All right, go. Oh, you missed. And do the same thing.
Sorry.
You gotta line it up.
Short intermission.
Oh, God. Hurry up. Oh, you missed again because you're not very
Dude,
good.
you missed twice too.
All right, hurry up, dude. It's freezing outside in this warm winter day. Actually, fall. No, it's actually spring. I mean, that's the right time of the year. Hurry up, dude. We should just give him the pistol. He obviously doesn't know how to do this. Connor, all right, it's my turn. You wasted too much time. No, give me it. Take the camera. I'll show you how a real man shoots a gun. I was in the army, if you didn't know that.
No, you weren't.
Well, it's my turn, that's
Give me
it.
another weapon.
Hey. Shoot it. Oh my god.
Close, okay?
That was not close at all. Okay, keep recording me. Hey, if I get a first shot, then I'll get all your view ups, okay?
I don't have any.
Good deal then, eh?
I have 100, that's it.
First shot. Sit it.
What are you doing, Alex?
You're terrible.
That's what I'm doing, baby.
Over there.
I'm like,
Oh, yeah.
I'm done with you. You're such a... You obviously didn't pay attention when I was doing it because I pointed at you and then I pointed at the thing. Pick it up. You do not point it anywhere over here. Or else God will wreak havoc on your face.
You already reloaded?
No, this is content. Another miss because you don't line it up. Okay. Just aim it. Oh my god. Use your muscle. I thought you were strong. Oh my god.
Yeah, you're...
Alright, yeah. Let's just give it to me. Don't point it at me.
No.
It might go off.
Okay, I'm gonna get the pistol.
No. Wait, is it cocked or no?
Yeah, it's cocked.
No, it's not.
Just kidding.
Well, tell me if it's cocked or not, so I don't know what to cock it. This is an infantry rifle. Yeah, put it right there. Good job.
How do you hit that?
Because I'm a dead shot. I'm a dead shot, baby.
Okay.
You can't compare. You can't compare.
Okay, Alex, I'm gonna get the pistol.
Connor ruined the video, which is... That's not right. Look at that little face. Wait.
Oh, I'm out of here.
Well, thanks for watching the shortest video on mankind. Probably been like 5 minutes. But I hope you enjoyed it. And leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, see ya. Quick update. I know I ended the video, but it landed right on some poop. Oh, right there. Ew, it's got some little bit of feces there. But it's still got juice in it, because I'm a dead shot, and I always shoot in the middle of the body like you're supposed to do it. So I think I have to dump this out now. Drip, drip, drip. That's terrible. Never by Diet Cherry 7-Up. Whoever thought that was obviously a moron. But I'll keep drinking it. Still terrible. And I can't drink the beer because that's obviously illegal. And I'll probably get demonetized. But thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.